When your customer support team is growing and the inbox starts filling up with questions from every direction, managing communication can feel like a juggling act. That is where shared inbox tools like Front and Help Scout come in. Both are designed to make customer communication faster, clearer, and more collaborative, but they do it in slightly different ways. Let's start with Front. Front looks and feels like email, which makes it familiar from the start. But underneath that simple interface is a powerful collaboration system. It brings together emails, live chat messages, social messages, and even SMS in one unified inbox. That means your team can respond to customers across every channel without switching tabs. Each conversation can be assigned, tagged, and tracked, so everyone knows who owns what. The real magic is in its collaboration features. You can comment internally on a message, share drafts, and loop teammates in without ever sending an extra email. It eliminates the "who is replying to this" confusion that slows teams down. Front also integrates deeply with tools like CRMs, project management apps, and automation systems, giving your team the full context of a customer before they reply. It feels personal and fast, which is why so many support teams love it. Now let's look at Help Scout. Help Scout takes a slightly different approach. It is built specifically for customer support, not just shared communication. That means it comes with built-in tools like knowledge bases, customer satisfaction ratings, and automated workflows. Each email thread turns into a support ticket behind the scenes, but it still feels like a natural email conversation for your customer. The interface is simple and clean, and it is designed to help your team respond quickly while keeping track of every customer's history. You can create saved replies, organize tickets by category, and even measure team performance with detailed reports. Help Scout also shines when it comes to customer experience. Customers never feel like they are part of a ticket system. They just see a friendly reply that feels human. When comparing the two, think of Front as the ultimate collaborative inbox and Help Scout as the full support suite. Front is ideal for teams that handle communication across multiple channels, especially when support overlaps with sales or account management. It keeps everyone aligned and conversations organized in real time. Help Scout, on the other hand, is perfect for dedicated support teams that need structure, reporting, and automation. It is made to handle volume efficiently while keeping every reply warm and personal. In the end, both platforms help your team stay organized, responsive, and human. Front helps you collaborate on every message. Help Scout helps you deliver support that scales. The right choice depends on how your team works and how you want your customers to feel every time they reach out.